you guys, and welcome to my world. It's a beautiful life. Today I'm going to take you inside of my world, and it's going to be a day in the life. And a really quick workout in. I've taken a shower, and now I'm going to just do my makeup real quick. So this is like my morning makeup routine, which is so simple, and it's basically what I do every day. So here we go. This is my normal morning routine. I've been using a lot of Unique makeup. If you have any questions, just let me know. I love the stick foundation. It glides on like butter. So I use it for my highlight and my contour. And then I use the kabuki brush to blend it all in. Do you have socks on your feet? Yeah. Okay, you need to brush your teeth. Okay, you should be done. And then don't forget to do your hair too. Do what? Oh, perfect. As usual, mom life, I'm always interrupted, so I don't have too much time in the morning, but I just try to get it done. My absolute favorite products are the bronzer and the blush. Blush is my jam. I cannot leave the house without it. I think it just adds that fresh look to your face. Okay, so these are the K-cups that I use. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, but I actually like those. And once we move, we'll be getting a new Keurig because I want one that I can actually fit my travel mug underneath, because this doesn't fit anything. Okay, and then don't judge my love for creamer. This is what I use. And like I said, I don't drink, well, I didn't drink coffee normally, so I pack on the creamer. Don't judge me. All right, so I've made my rounds. I went to Macaroni Grill and I got their paperwork. Now I'm at my second stop to pick up their money, and then I have to go back to Macaroni Grill and drop it off. Okay, I have finally made it to work. I have done all of my running around, and now I am at my office so that I can finish getting my work done. So I just got these glasses from Amazon. They are blue light blockers. I don't know how well they work, so I have to look into that a little bit more, but they're so cute though. I love them. Okay, so it is time to go. I'm gonna leave work, go pick up my boys, and go see my puppy. When we get home, the boys do their homework and they have chores before they get electronics.
Allowed to be on the vegetable.
So it is finally time for bed. Just tuck the boys in. I'm going to sit and relax for a minute before it's bedtime for me, and I get to do it all over again. Thanks so much for joining me on my day, and I hope to see you on the next adventure.